What if I told you that your next viral video could be made while you sleep? No filming, no editing. Just one prompt and boom, it's done. Let me show you how. Welcome to the future of content creation, and today, I'm going to show you how you can create stunning TikToks, YouTube Shorts, and even cinematic travel videos in minutes using a tool called Deep Agent by Abacus AI. Let's dive in. Think of Deep Agent as your on-demand creative team, powered by AI. Developed by the minds at ChatLLM from Abacus AI, this tool lets you generate an entire video script, voice, visuals, everything, just by typing a prompt. It's like having a filmmaker, editor, and scriptwriter rolled into one, available 24/7. Let's try it in real time. Once you are on this page, you will find some templates under the prompt box. You can take inspiration from them. Okay, we have to ask in the prompt box. Let's say, I want to create a short video where a virtual influencer talks about the top AI tools every content creator should know about in 2025. Once I hit send, Deep Agent asks for a few more details: gender, tone, audience, video length, and character type. All I do is type, create a video where a confident female influencer talks about the top AI tools every content creator should know about in 2025, in an inspiring tone, targeted at students, 60 seconds long. After that, the magic begins. In a few seconds, Deep Agent pulls from real-time data to write a compelling script. Then, it creates a scene plan complete with visuals, audio suggestions, and even character design. You can tweak anything, add a specific background, change the personality, or even switch to a different format like a listicle or cinematic nature reel. Click on the download button here, and our video is now saved.
Hey future creators, ready to level up your content game in 2025? Here are the AI tools that will transform how you create content as a student. First, ChatGPT. Brainstorm ideas, write captions, and debug code. Next, Canva's AI generates stunning graphics in seconds.
What if you want to make a beautiful nature video instead? Let's try. Generate a visually rich video showcasing the wildlife and landscapes of the African savanna, featuring elephants, lions, and giraffes. On the next step, you have to add some additional info. After entering them, hit the send button. Deep Agent dives in, pulling stunning footage, writing a poetic script, and stitching it all together with no editing software needed. In minutes, we have a full-blown nature documentary.
In the heart of Africa lies Earth's most magnificent ecosystem. The African savanna stretches endlessly, where golden grasslands meet azure skies. Majestic elephants roam in family herds, protecting their young. Lions, the apex predators, rest while surveying their kingdom. Graceful giraffes tower above acacia trees, reaching for the highest leaves. This is nature's masterpiece, where every creature plays a vital role.
You can also create list-style content like, create a video on the top 5 most expensive gadgets in the world. Deep Agent scours the web for facts, builds your script, chooses dramatic music, and lays it all out visually. Just like that, a viral gadget video is ready. And it's factually correct, and the visuals are amazing.
Think your iPhone is expensive? These 5 gadgets cost millions. Number 5. Gold speakers worth $4.7 million. Number 4. Diamond iPad with dinosaur bones, $7.8 million. Number 3. Black diamond iPhone, $15 million. Number 2. Giant TV weighing 200 pounds, $500,000. Number 1. Chopard watch with 874 diamonds, $25 million. Which would you buy?
You can even create videos about any topic with a single prompt. Just type, create a video of a concise guide on preparing a simple dish. Boom, your video is ready.
Ready to make the perfect sandwich in under 2 minutes? Start with fresh bread. White or whole grain works great. Spread creamy mayo on one slice, mustard on the other. Layer crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and your favorite deli meat. Add cheese for extra flavor. Stack it high, press gently, and slice diagonally. That's it. Your delicious homemade sandwich is ready to enjoy.
It's all about smooth transitions, peaceful visuals, and guidance anyone can follow. And the best part? You didn't film a thing. AI did it all, from idea to execution. You can also create cartoon character explaining videos like, create a video on time travel, explained by a cartoon character. Within seconds, Deep Agent jumps into action. It picks a fun, animated character who writes the entire script and brings it to life with visuals that actually make sense and look amazing.
Ever wondered if time travel is actually possible? Einstein's relativity proves time isn't fixed, it's stretchy. Move super fast or near black holes, and time slows down. Astronauts actually age slower in space. Traveling to the future? Scientifically possible.
Here's the twist. Deep Agent doesn't just make videos. You can also use it to build simple web apps, create interactive games, prototype business ideas, design educational content. Let's create a game. I am giving a simple game input about Guess the Country, and it is ready. It's more than a tool. It's a creative engine. If you are a creator or developer, you should try this tool. The link will be in the description. Want to earn with it? And if you love challenges, Abacus AI runs weekly competitions where you can win $2,500 by showcasing your AI-generated content. So not only can you create, you can actually earn while doing it. So whether you're a content creator, developer, educator, or just someone with big ideas but little time, Deep Agent by Abacus AI is your new secret weapon. Try it. And don't forget to share your results in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative AI tools and tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.